the dip and buying the dip, and it just works out. Push forward. All right. How's the current state of the market treating you? Going well, brother. All right. See. Hey, what's up? Good morning, guys. Can you guys hear me? Good morning. Good morning. What's up? Thank you. The GOAT. Thank you. 4. All right. So far, what we see right now is the NASDAQ showing a lot of strength. We see the SPY showing a lot of strength. Things are popping. All right. So since we didn't enter the play, or since we didn't enter anything just yet, we need to see how things play out before we enter anything. Hey, good morning. Good morning. So at the moment, we just need to be patient and see how things play out for now. All right. This week can be choppy. Wednesday, we have Fed minutes coming out at 2 o'clock. So there could be some choppiness in the market this week, especially since we had multiple days of just upward pressure. So we need to be cognizant of the fact that they can bring it down here. All right. Let's see. We need to be cognizant of them bringing it down, but I really want to buy this dip. But let's just see. Let's just be patient. Let's not force anything just yet. Definitely looks like the market wants to hold 425.11, but just gonna wait. NASDAQ is making new highs. Tesla is above $900. Tesla is almost at 920. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. You got news that Elon was selling billions of dollars of shares, and the price of the Tesla just skyrockets. I love it. That's beautiful. That's hilarious. NJPA 911. Yes, exactly. We're trading at the money, shortest duration contracts. But specifically right now, go light. I'm not entering anything heavily at the moment. So everyone, please make sure that you guys are only going in light with any of your positions. There's no clear-cut direction currently in the market. And when there is no clear-cut direction in the market, you have to be patient and you have to play things conservatively. So far, what we're seeing is they're holding it basically above support, but there's no momentum to the upside. And because there's no momentum to the upside, it's showing that there's no momentum 6 minutes into the market day so far. So it's 9:36 a.m. Z34 Brian, Yo, give me access to the Discord. Yo, make sure to send me a message on Discord, or just send me a DM. I'll respond to you after the stream. All right, just be patient. Just be patient. Just being patient here. Just waiting. I tried. I can't. I think you might have to change your Discord settings to allow to message people that aren't your friends. I think that's the issue. And yeah, cool. All right, so what we're seeing right now is the NASDAQ breaking down below support. NASDAQ supports at 330.50. The IWM was also breaking down support. So now we just need to see if, yes, we're having a downward move right now on the IWM, but the NASDAQ is holding support. And that is currently a reason why this candle right now is turning green and why it moved upwards, because the NASDAQ was at support and it held. So we just need to see if that can continue to happen. And it looks like that is the case at the moment. We're heading into new highs. I'm not too convinced of this move upwards just yet. What we need to see right now is the SPY needs to basically hold the support that was just broken as resistance. So 422.45 essentially needs to hold the support. But now we see the NASDAQ and the IWM continuing to break down lower. So what we just saw so far right now is they faked out bulls. So they made a lot of people bullish during these last two candles. And they made a lot of people bullish. We closed above this level of resistance. And now, if they bring it down from here, this would be devastating for bulls. And yeah, we just need to see if this same 425.11 level that was basically being consolidated above, if that level can basically hold the support. The IWM is a new low of day. The NASDAQ is at a now major level of support, 329.80. The SPY is, let's see how we respond here at the support. Wicked off, big wick. This is the start of a potentially bullish move. So let's see if this is the case. Depends on how we close. Depends on how we, how strong this candle looks in the setup, etc. This is why I wanted to be patient. I I was not convinced of this bullish move, and they ripped it right back down. So let's see. All right, I'm gonna buy very light SPY calls with 425.10 for 1 second. Let's make it let's make it around 425. So I'm just buying into very, very light SPY calls at the money contracts expiring today. $425 is a stop loss. We have a very, very tight position, very, very light, and we're just gonna see if this is a buy the dip opportunity. So far, things are holding support, but this isn't a strong hold of support. It looks like they're gonna bring it lower. But I mean, if we did catch the bottom, that's great. But there is gonna need to be some substantial buying pressure right now if this is gonna sustain itself, because the downward move was very, very strong. So the upward move needs to also be very, very strong. So let's just see if this level of support holds the support. Contracts are up almost 10%. Contracts are up almost 10%. It looks like we caught this move. The reason why I entered was because we were very, very close to support. It was a very, very tight invalidation. We were patient. We waited. We came to support. And now we need to see. Most likely what they're going to do is they're going to bring it back down to 425.30-ish area to see if the momentum can continue upwards. If they don't retest 425.30, this is a very, very bullish move. And most likely going to retest high of day and break above. So you guys got to make sure that you are taking profits. Oh, so look, they retested 425.30 and it held. So that's a good sign for the bulls. But again, we need to see some like substantial strength to the upside. That's why I'm saying take some profits and leave runners. Always take some profits and leave runners. You don't know if this position is going to turn on you or whatnot. So when you enter a good play, you want to make sure that you're solidifying some sort of profit, because if it goes against you, you're still entered and got into a good position. Now these contracts are up 15%. Now we're at a high of day. And the contracts are up 25%. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some profits and leave runners. And yeah. Let's see what the rest of the day brings us. So far, so good. So far, so good. Did we get a close above high of day? No, we did not. Did 1 second. The high of day previously was 425.7. We closed right below high of day. So if we get this candle also close above high of day, that'll be really good. Guys, on TikTok, just keep on double tapping the screen. If you guys double tap the screen, it counts as a like, and you can just like basically as much as possible. And if you try it out, you guys could double tap the screen. You could just keep on sending likes. I think that's how it works. But so far, what we're seeing right now is we did not close above high of day. So I want to see a close above 5-day. This is still technically just a wick. And beautiful, beautiful move. We did get, all right, so now we just got to close above 5-day. What I want to see is 2 closes above. That would be great. That would solidify things. But again, you know, not a guarantee. So please. All right. These contracts should still be up 25% or more for everybody. So make sure you guys are taking profits and leaving runners. Guys, oh man, guys, you know what to do. Number 1 in the chat, please. Number 1 in the chats if you guys made money. Number 1 in the chat. Just drop ones, man. Start the week off right, please. Ones, 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 ones. Ones, please. Make my day. Please. All right. We're pushing up higher. We got 2 closes above 5-day. This looks like it's going to continue higher. Congratulations, whoever got into this call. Wow. Wow. These are up almost 40%. Oh man. Wow. Almost 40%. Take profit. Beautiful. Beautiful. Easy money. Oh man, look at all the ones. Crap. Beautiful. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. 20 minutes into the day, guys. 20 minutes into the day, we just made some money. This is a, oh my God. Beautiful play. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 20 minutes into the day, man. We just made a nice, beautiful play. Take some profits, leave runners. Or just, yeah. Just take the day off. This is less than 20 minutes. I love you too. Thank you. Thank you. How many we trust? I appreciate it. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in on everything, man. I really, really appreciate you guys tuning in and showing love and support. I appreciate all you guys on TikTok. Appreciate all you guys on Instagram. I could see everyone on Twitch and YouTube. It's crazy, man. I'm really, really happy you guys are. I'm happy you guys are dropping ones. Appreciate all the likes, man. I appreciate all the likes and the support. Glad we're having a good morning so far. All right, so what we saw is this big red candle coming back to this layer of support, which was the prior breakout candle. So we came back, tested that level perfectly, and held as support. Wow. Wow. What an insane move. Yeah, now is not the time to add into any positions, in my opinion. Just wait and be patient. Now is not the time to add into any crazy positions because the SPY is now at like a major level of support at 426.30. 426.30 is a very important level of support, resistance for the SPY, and the contracts are up over 50%, almost 50%. So, I mean, now is a really, really good time to basically solidify all profits. And now we're just gotta fix the screen for you guys on the phones. All right, perfect. Now is a good time to basically sell and solidify profits. or 2630, a major resistance level on the SPY. And now we need to look at a continued move. Sold. Good stuff, good stuff. I hope everyone took profits and is not, you know, guys, these are high quality plays that we're taking very, very intelligently. And we're taking the trades methodically and intelligently. It's what we do. All right. We're not risking the house. We're not entering on stupid impulses like we usually do. You know, we have to teach ourselves discipline. Enter and exit at the proper times. We only entered on a very, very tight play. We entered with a very, very tight stop loss. I was trying to wait as best as possible. And we caught the literal retest of this level of support here. And it was really, really perfect. We caught like the exact bottom and it worked out perfectly. This strength to the upside is still very, very surprising to me. And but I mean, we don't argue. We don't argue with momentum. We see momentum going in one direction. We, what's the guy's name? Zayn Malik. Actually, no, he left One Direction. Never mind. I was going to make a One Direction reference. But yeah. Hey, guys, I'm allowed to make corny jokes, man. Got you guys 50%. If I were to say corny jokes for the rest of the day, I'll be here all week. Oh my god. Wow. Big green candle right above resistance. Jeez Louise. Holy crap. Is this about to be another 100% play? Oh my goodness, bro. Wow. I'm gonna look at things on a daily. Well, wait a. It's not even retracing back down to 4. What the hell is happening? Oh wait. Damn. Wow. These contracts are up over 80%. Wow. Wow. These contracts are up huge. Holy crap. What the hell is happening right now? Yeah, this strength is very crazy. It's actually very shocking to me. The strength is very shocking to me. I mean, I'm not complaining, but it's crazy. Like, this strength is really crazy. Wow. I just want to hit a nice 100% play. It'd be nice. Oh, sorry. So for everyone that's also tuned in right now, right? You're watching me trade live. Cool, right? But not every trade is going to be a win. So you need to make sure that you're controlling your expectations and not thinking, oh my God, I only went in with $200 on this guy's trade. I could have made so much money. I'm going to put $2,000 in on the next trade. You have to trade according to your portfolio. All right. If you guys are watching me and you're getting excited, like, oh my God, I could have made so much money, blah, blah, blah. That's the wrong mindset. You cannot remain in the mindset of, I want to get rich quick. Nobody gets rich quick. You have to take small, methodical steps towards bettering yourself, towards making better trading decisions, towards being more disciplined. Once you can do that, that's when you can consistently make more money. But right now, do not get excited and like watching me trade, et cetera, et cetera. Don't throw your entire portfolio, because there will be days where we don't trade great. I mean, we trade great, right? But there will be times when the outcomes are not in our favor. So just make sure that you're not, over aggressive to any of these positions. I appreciate all the likes. I appreciate everybody. Fold it on the back there. VIX gap fill. In play, we're going to rip to 430. If we rip to 430 today, I will be really, really... I mean, yeah, we could. I mean, 430 to 440 was... honestly, I'm going to be pretty shocked if we hit 430 today, but whatever. These moves, I like to play with them around 9:50 to 10. That allows the market to rip to about 11:30. Yeah, man. I mean, whatever works for you. I mean, if it's working, no one can argue against it. Yeah, generally like 10 or 15 minutes after the wow. That is a very, very big green candle again. Holy crap. Oh, it's not, bro. That's ridiculous, bro. That's ridiculous. That's another 100% play, guys. That's another 100% play. Congratulations. That is another 100% play together on the stream. The first play of the week. 100% move. That's... wow. Holy crap, man. That is ridiculous. Wow. Left some runners, did not cash out. Let's keep up this momentum. All right, that's good. I hope you've taken out the majority. I hope you've taken out the majority of your position. Congratulations, though. I appreciate everybody. All right. Ace, killer play. Took profit, man. I just watched your video from yesterday as well. Keep up the good stuff. I really, really appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Rogelio Melgoza. I'm gonna assume that the G is silent. Mysterious GSFI solar play share bot, please. All right. Do you think we'll test the 430? Yeah, 430 is still possible today. Don't FOMO halfway into a play either, guys. There will be more plays. 100%. There are plays all the time. 100% all the time. All right, let's take a look if this is a good dip buying opportunity. 1 second. I'm going to look at the chat. I'm going to look back at the chat in a second. Give me 1 second. Let's see if this is a good opportunity to buy back. And also, guys, like if I don't automatically respond to your guys' message, like I don't want you guys to feel offended or anything like that. I'm trying my best to manage everything at the same time without while giving you guys like high quality information. Don't take it personal. I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I really, really appreciate your support and everything. This isn't a good dip buying opportunity, but it like just it's most likely gonna work, but it's not a high quality play. It's gonna work because overall momentum is very, very bullish, but this is not a good, like, this is literally like, if you just look at it, right? So 2 huge red candles and then a small candle here, like that's not what we want to really see. So usually what happens is setups like this, they usually rarely hold this level of support. Yeah, see, so that's why we broke lower. Now we're just being patient. I friggin' want to go long here. Light SPY calls 426.23 as a stop loss. Very, very tight. Very light, tight position. Only playing with profits. Don't overextend yourself on any play. Like, we can still continue to fall lower. It is what it is, but this is a good dip buying opportunity in my opinion. Contracts up over 10%. Contracts up over 10%. Take some profits, leave runners. Take some profits, leave runners. It's not a guarantee that we're going to hold this level of support. So that's why you take profits, leave runners. If the market does fall back down, it doesn't matter. You took profits already. Sorry, guys. I usually keep the ticker name right close to the phone. We're watching the SPY right now. So we're trading the closest contract expiration on the SPY. So on the SPY. So far this morning we had a 100% play. And now we just rebought the dip right here. Waited comfortably. Waited for the market to come to us. Waited for support. Bought this other dip right here. Took some profits at 10%, and now we're just letting runners ride. Very, very nice, comfortable Monday morning so far. Now we just wait. What strike? Oh, the 427s. So I always buy the closest at the money contract. Closest at the money contract and the closest expiration date as well. Oh, man. Oh, crap. I hope everyone took some profits. Brian, what are you doing? Like that it's not your day. Are you just trying to force positions and stuff? Like you don't trade based off of oh wow, there's momentum to the upside or there's momentum to the downside. During these environments right now, they're gonna deliberately try to chop you out. So it's safest to only buy at like major levels of support or buy as we're breaking above levels of resistance. Thank you. Thank you for the compliment. Support is holding here at 426.5, which is a good sign for bulls. Which is a good sign. The IWM is making a very strong candle as well. Very, very strong candle on the IWM. The NASDAQ is also finding support. To be patient. Not every play is going to be a huge win. Nicholas, where are you setting stops? So I set the stops based on closes of the SPY price itself. Unless I have to step away from the unless I have to step away, then I manually input stop losses. I'm still holding the runners. This just looks like a fake out once more. They broke it down below 426.50 to get people bearish. So now let's see if this can continue moving upwards. All right, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Do you think we'll okay. Did we start typing 111? Yes. Yes, you're a little late. So 1,000 contracts on the next play. If you got 1,000 contracts on this play just now, then dinner is on you for dinner's on you, brother. Lol, are you the GOAT? Nah, lol. Nah, for real, you really go amazing. Thank you, Salman. Amazing. Nice job, Hamid. Thank you so much. Microsoft can see 300. Ex-dividend is this week. Interesting. Tesla is in a bull flag. Apple is in a bull flag as well. Amazon is breaking down lower. Okay. Amazon is at the low of day. Yeah, Microsoft is breaking down support. How are chips doing? Chips are also breaking down from their from the their bull flag. Facebook is breaking down support. Let's see if all right, closing out the rest. Now we just wait to see. So that was a really good opportunity for them to pop the market back up, but they did not have substantial follow through. They could not hold this level of support for too long. We did bounce. This did end up hitting, I think, 15 to 20%, but we quickly ended up falling lower. So now let's see if they can let's see which way they bring the market. This is a see profit, take profit sort of week, I think. So this week is going to be very, very choppy because Wednesday is when we're going to see Fed minutes. So due to those, it could be very, very choppy this week. I'm getting into very, very light SPY calls with the 426 stop loss. Very, very light. So we're falling lower. We're about 10 cents away, or well, 6 cents away. If we get a close below 426, I'm going to sell. Yeah, so we're sitting right literally at support. All right, so very, very tight play. If it works, it's great. If not, tight play. So the call premiums are losing value very quickly, right? If you guys are noticing. So usually what that means is they don't want, they're making it difficult for people to be bullish because they're making any small little move to the downside extremely unprofitable for people. So that's why I'm still holding on to the contracts, by the way. I'm still holding on to these. I'll let you know when I'm selling. But basically, when the premiums lose value very, very quickly, then on very baby moves to the downside, it's basically it could be a good sign that they're going to bring it back up higher as long as support can hold. So right now, yeah, we're basically still holding this level of support. And that's why now, as the momentum is basically shifting, I'm only entering with very, very light, small positions. So to see how we do here and to see which direction they want to bring the market. Now they have like a decision to make. Everything fell to support. Are they going to hold this level of support, or are they going to, bring it down lower? Now we wait. Just being patient here, seeing whether or not we can hold this level of support on the SPY. Contract prices are losing value very, very quickly. If this can hold a support, it'll be good, but not that great so far. Let's see how we close on this candle before we close out the position. Let's see if this can hold as support. All right, I'm about to cut these contracts. Sold for a loss here. That position, that level of support didn't hold. So now we need to see if there's going to be like continued strong bearish movement to the downside. So for now, the momentum is bearish, but we need to see some substantial follow through to the downside for us to become bearish and for us to want to add to puts. So for now, it just looks like they're staircasing it down. They're making it very, very difficult for people to become bearish here, because they're allowing these levels of support to still hold and then bounce and then fall a bit lower and then bounce. So let's see. Yeah, so what they did was they just brought it a little bit lower than where we wanted it to be, and they closed it. They got people to basically become bearish. So now let's see if this was a fake out and they're gonna rip it back up. We obviously sold for a loss down here. But yes, let's see. Yeah, this is obviously not a bullish setup. So let's see if there's going to be continued downside pressure. I have to put 25K in a brokerage to do this, correct? No, you if you open up a cash account with a brokerage, you're allowed to make basically unlimited day trades as long as the value of your account is not exceeded. So for example, if you have $5,000 and you open up a cash account, you can make 10 $500 trades every single day. So I would highly recommend everyone get a cash account. Some choppy price action here at the bottom here. All right, I'm getting into light SPY calls again with a stop loss at 425.50, 425.60-ish. Again, very, very tight position. You don't need to take this. This is basically just a very, very, very tight position. Everything is at support. Let's see if we can consolidate here and then bounce off of this level of support. Again, there's no momentum, and they've been playing bulls. So, but we are at a level of support. It doesn't really make sense to go short here, in my opinion. The odds are to the upside. So just a nice, tight, small position. Let's see if this level of support can hold. What we want to see right now is a close above 426. If we can close above 426, that'd be great. But we don't want to see these wicks. That is not a good sign. Yeah, it's not a great sign. It's not a good sign that they painted it bullish and then reversed it back. Let's see. Small position, tight position. Worth taking a stab. The main thing is as the market continues throughout the day, momentum also goes away. So we've seen like a lack of momentum today from about like 10 a.m. onwards. So because we've seen a lack of momentum, a lot of these plays are not working out as perfectly. So yeah. So far so good. It's just we're just continuing to buy calls at support. And yeah. These are up almost 10%. Things found support. But now things are at resistance. So 426.15 is a very major level of resistance on the SPY. We want to see a close above that. We could get a close above that, and that's going to be very, very good. But so far, so good. Obviously, it's the position's in the green. So yeah, we just need to see if the momentum can continue. For new bulls entering this trade, this isn't a good play because we're very close to resistance now. So this is not an ideal setup. If this doesn't break above this level of resistance right now, then it's going to be very, very difficult for them, in my opinion, to break it out. So make sure you're not holding like 1,000 contracts of this, because this is a very, very important minute. And if on this minute we don't close above resistance, then it's going to be very difficult. So please make sure you're playing this correctly and not too heavily. So now the contracts are up 15%. So take profits, leave runners. We're back to this 426.30 important level of resistance. Remember earlier on in the day that we had a big, big green candle above. So we're back here with the big green candle. We need to see if we can continue above this level. And it looks so far like we are. These contracts are up over 20%. Very nice. Take profits, leave runners, up 25%. Spectacular. Beautiful play. Take profits, leave runners. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful play. Beautiful play. Let's get a close above 426.30. If we get a close above 426, if we get two closes above 426.30 on the SPY, then that is going to be very, very bullish. Make sure you guys on TikTok are liking the stream. Double tap the screen. You guys can give unlimited likes. So especially on plays where I'm giving you guys profitable plays, definitely if you guys double tap the screen, it counts as a like, and those go a long way. You could just send as many likes as you want. It's unlimited. All right. All right. 500 in the bag. Caught those 428 calls at 1.5 and sold them at 1.8. Congrats. Good stuff. Contracts up almost 30%. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Brother, dinner for you any day. We broke out. Bull flag, we go to fourth. Looks like slight pullback and consolidation. And we have measurement of the uh-oh. Uh-oh, the contract's up over 30%. This could, if we hit high of day. Oh man. If we hit high of day, then this, wow, we can end up flying to like 428. So we got two closes above 426.30, which is a good sign, but we didn't get a retest of that level of support, which is the issue currently. I wanted to see us have a clean retest of that level of support, but we did not. So therefore, it's a bit interesting. Yo, everyone in the chat, again, this is another 30% play. Make sure you guys, I want to see ones. One, yep, you Mrs. Icy Cold already knows what to do. She's already dropping the ones. Everyone, everybody, if you guys made money on this play, type in a 1 in the chat. Type in a 1 in the chat if you guys made money on this play. Easy money. Please, guys, come on, man. Not enough ones. Not enough ones. What is this? One, please, guys, I need to see the ones. We're closing above this level of resistance. We're holding support really, really well. If 426.30 can maintain itself as support, then this is gonna fly. This is gonna fly to the upside. So I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh, whoa, lots of ones. Oh man, all right, beautiful, beautiful. All right, this is what I want to see. Very nice. Nice. Bought the 426 calls at 101, sold at 139. I will take it. Hamid, you're a beauty. Thank you. Thank you, Ryan. One. Oh man, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Bro, I made money for all of them. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Congrats, man. You deserve it. You guys deserve it, man. Good stuff. I missed that last trade where you took a loss. Good. Nice. 100. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Joined late, missed the entry. It's okay. There'll be more. Awesome. Yep. I love how my brother is happy when we make money. Always. Always. Chase Sharps didn't get in because you weren't short. Yeah. Shoot or shoot, my brother. Don't have my account set up yet. Yeah, Nick. So, Nicholas, definitely just it takes a few days, but I would really recommend only trading on a cash account if you have less than 25K. Carl missed the play, was working but still listening and learning. Nice. I'm glad you're enjoying, and I'm glad that I can help. Ali, what trade did you take? We bought SPY calls. Right here, we bought the August 15th 426 SPY calls down here, and we found support, and then they popped up for about another 30%. So not bad. So we had a 100% play, then about a 15 to 20% loss, and then a 30% play. So pretty good day so far. Letting these runners ride. This 426.30 zone is basically holding as support. So this is very important. What time frame are you using? On the 1 minute time frame. Okay. And now we wait to see. It's 10:40. We could call it a day. I hope everyone that did make money, you're not throwing it away gambling on some bad setups. I hope everyone is trading patiently and waiting for really good opportunities. Because that's all you have to do. If you start responding to what's going on in the market, you have to understand that they can make certain things seem a certain way to make people respond in a certain way. So you cannot be responsive in this market. You have to be proactive, and you have to basically make proper decisions without emotions. What are the proactive signals? So what I mean by being proactive is, for example, right? Multiple green candles like this, right? Normally, people see a big green candle and they're like, whoa, I have to buy. This is a really amazing buying opportunity. But they don't buy. And then they see another green candle and a little smaller green candle. They're like, oh my God, I don't want to miss more of the move. Okay, let me get in now. So then by the time they do enter, and even if they did enter on this big green candle over here or wherever they entered, you can see that they brought the market right back down to a major level of support. So instead of trying to chase these moves to the upside when the market currently isn't, favoring trades like that, they're not favoring setups like that. They're favoring patience and waiting to buy dips at support. So yeah, by what I mean by being proactive is you're not being responsive to what you see in front of you in terms of like FOMO or, oh my god, I have to get in, I'm gonna miss this move, etc., etc. That's what I mean. Kyle Zapsky, can you briefly explain your exit strategy for scaling out and letting the runners run? Yeah, I think I'm gonna make a I think I should make a video explaining that with like a mock $5,000 account, and I'll explain, okay, you should be doing this, etc., etc. So yeah, so I'm gonna make a video on that actually. Thank you for that. Thank you. Today was amazing. Thanks, Ahmed. Thank you. I'm glad you guys did well. Ryan, someone on Wall Street Bets this morning took out a 50K and YOLO'd it and out the money BBBY calls. It's a man of culture. That is a man of culture. I hope it works out for him. We're looking at the 1 minute time frame on the SPY. So we're currently holding runners for SPY calls. We bought into these calls down here at around 425.60-ish area. And we had a nice 30% bounce. We took profits, and now we're just holding on to runners to see if the momentum can continue on. Thank you for doing this. No, you don't need to thank me. I'm happy that this is working out. Yo ho, I think it would help if you did a video on how to find those opportunities and how to find levels of performances. Yeah, yo ho. So I was working on a course. I was working on a pretty long course. I actually did a lot of the PowerPoint slides and everything. A lot of that is sort of done. Yeah, there's a lot that a lot of interesting stuff. So yeah, definitely 100% I agree. But also, like, as I'm doing it live, you guys get a better understanding of why I enter and exit certain things, but it'll just take more time. But with the course and like the videos that I send out, it'll definitely help because you could just, it'd be nice. So, all right. So now it looks like this looks like it can continue falling lower. This pressure is starting to mount up to the downside. So let's see. What we want to see right now is 426.10 hold as support. $426.10 and then 426. Two major levels of support right now. So let's see. This is a very, very bullish reversal. Usually, most of the time, this is a very, very bullish reversal. But the issue is that the market is already so fatigued. But this is usually the first signs of a very strong move to the upside. I would be very, very surprised. But this is usually how they start. you could add to your positions light, and then for your new positions, you would basically just need to maintain like a really tight stop loss, because if the momentum upwards doesn't stop or doesn't continue, then it's gonna fall and make it's gonna fall below 426 most likely. So I'll let you guys know when I add. This isn't looking too good. This is not looking good for bulls. This was usually a very bullish opportunity to go long, and they reversed it back down. So now we're back to basically the support level of the breakout range. Let's see if we can get a better position to add. This might be one of the last bounces that we see for the day until we continue falling lower. Very interesting. Let's see. We're at support on a lot, but the momentum is very bearish. You can get light. Damn. Damn. I know for like I'm almost positive this play is gonna work, but this isn't a high quality play. So yeah. I'm almost 100% sure that if you buy calls right now, they're gonna be profitable. We're gonna bounce back up to 426 like 10, but this isn't a high quality play. So because this isn't a high quality play, it's not worth risking, because there's so many beautiful opportunities all throughout the day. Oh, wait a second. Now that we just got a different candle close. You get light SPY calls 425.8 stop loss. 425.8 stop loss. Yep. SPY calls. Make sure it's light. This can easily reverse and be a really delicious shorting opportunity. But just make sure your position size is light. And we bounced exactly where I thought we were gonna go bounce. But it just was not a super safe buying opportunity. I didn't feel comfortable buying down here. I felt way more comfortable on the next candle once we saw confirmation. Contracts are not doing too hot. Yeah, this isn't a play to like there's no upward momentum. We're literally just buying at support. So I would be very cautious about being too heavy in this position. It's not worth it. There are much better buying opportunities throughout the day. We want to see 426 basically hold as support for this upward momentum to continue. This is a great opportunity for them to rip it down. They're holding support again. They're getting a lot of people bullish. Now would be great for them to really rip it down. All right, I'm gonna cut these. It's almost 11 o'clock. Like we're still holding basically this area at 425.80, and as long as we could basically hold this zone, it still acts as a level of support, and it could still continue to go higher. I cut the position. I have to leave, and I don't want to be, in a position when I can't look at it, but this still looks like we can bounce higher, but of course maintain your stop losses and remain disciplined. The next main level that it really needs to hold is going to be this 425.70 level. But yeah, we had a good day so far, so there's no point of gambling and hoping that things go back up. Move on to the next play. Wait for a better setup. But 425.70 is a very, very important level of support. And that basically, if that breaks, then we could see a lot more downside. The next the other level of support is going to be 425.50. So yeah, I mean, yeah, it's almost 11 o'clock. I have to go. I hope you guys had a wonderful stream. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah. Take care. I hope you guys have an amazing, wonderful day. Thank you guys for tuning in. And yeah, of course, definitely going to come tomorrow as well. Make sure to like the stream, subscribe, follow, you know, do all that good stuff. And yeah, you can see that 425.70 is holding a support. I have to go. Damn. Yeah, that level is holding a support. This trade looks like it's good, and it looks like it's going to continue going on higher. So yeah, you guys enjoy that. I'm gonna go, and yeah, I hope you guys